Every so often I'm called in to cook for the rich and famous. Because at times I become known as Dave, chef to the stars. And this is a tuna salad sandwich that Margot Robbie asked me to make her one day. And I said, okay. All right, so what we have in the bowl are 4 5-ounce cans of tuna that have been drained. And I added a third of a cup of celery, 2 tablespoons of diced onions, a cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of sweet relish, and a clove of garlic that has been minced up. Then you just want to grab your spoon and give this a stir. Then on some good sourdough bread, you want to add some cheddar cheese, a little bit of that tuna mix we were talking about. Oh, and remember, butter one side of this bread, and then when you put it on the griddle, butter the other ones. So we got our tuna mix. Place another slice of cheese on top. And then top it off with the butter, the one, buttered bread. And let's go to the griddle. And these have been griddling for a while. Magic of cooking show editing. And as you can see, I buttered the other side. And now it's time to give these a flip. These will take about 2 to 3 minutes aside, give or take. All right, and after that, we should be ready to plate them up. And as you can see here, they're all plated up. They're done. So that's Margot Robbie's tuna sandwich. Why she ate 3 of them and why she ate them naked, I have no idea, but I wasn't complaining at the time.